How would you like one of the freshest, most unusual traffic sources I've ever seen, along with done for you ads they can simply deploy right away, guaranteed approval for a hot affiliate product plus $865 worth of free advertising on other platforms, plus a whole lot more. If that sounds really, really cool to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of the untapped traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hem. I am known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, made by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now they can skip ahead. My jokes, they are really, really stale. They're boring dad jokes. I get it, but I like my jokes, so I tell them anyhow. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. We review software and info products. They make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? In my eyes, well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart. Bart started this whole thing. He got joined by a bunch of his friends, and they've all been going on with this business about crap. But Bart, you're the original. You got to cut it out. Okay? Seriously, I've had enough. It's mid-January. Time for you to do your New Year's resolution. Get yourself a new line. Guys, so annoying. Seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way these working, if I like it, I will give a tip, my head to the product. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Boy, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time also, but who can get angry at her? Especially when she's not here all the time. Sometimes she gets replaced by Barry Goldberg from the Goldbergs, and sometimes that weird guy who talks about being an entrepreneur and kind of other weird stuff. Anyway, seriously, if you're new, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified about the videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're right now at the sales page for Untapped Traffic. This is my friend Stephen Miller. Now, Stephen is really, really an interesting guy. He came up with one of the most unusual ideas I've ever seen for traffic. And this is what's crazy. He's been running ads on really unusual networks that I had never thought of running them on, but they actually work really, really well for making money. And what's more than that, you can spend like $5 and see serious numbers coming in, literally. Okay, you don't have to put in hundreds of dollars to do this. It's literally like put in $5 here, $5 there, and you're going to start seeing results. Now, of course, that's just what you're going to get from this course, but I want to make sure that this is an absolute positive no-brainer for you, to the point of being the biggest no-brainer you've ever seen. So first of all, I've run a bunch of my own traffic courses just to give you an extra leg up on additional sources of traffic. Now that, of course, alone would be great, but that is not enough for me. And also, I did a lot of research. I found you $865 worth of free advertising on various websites. Okay, now these are not the websites that Steve's going to tell you about, because the ones he tells you about are so cheap you don't need these credits in order to use them. But these are bigger name places, like for example, Apple ads. I got you $100 on Apple ads. There's also advertising on Snapchat, all kind of cool stuff that you're going to be able to take advantage of, thanks to what I've been able to find for you with all of these ads. $865 worth of free advertising. Now, of course, that's still not enough for you. I also am going to be handing to you over 100 done for you reports that you have PLR rights to. You can sell them, get them away, use them as a bonus. That's going to be included as well. On top of all that stuff, I have even more for you. I'm also going to be handing over to you my course on how to do retargeting ads, plus create all the retargeting content that you need, because you need all different types of visuals, basically, like the ads, like the banners and stuff. So you need all different types of them made, and I'm going to show you how to do all that for free in about 5 minutes flat. But I'm still not done yet. because on top of all that other stuff, on top of everything else I'm going to be handing to you, I figured what's the one thing that's really going to make this no-brainer? So I can show you how to do this. I can tell you where to go, or Steve can tell you where to go in order to get these ridiculously cheap traffic that actually converts. But what you really need is something to sell people. So I'm going to give you guaranteed approval on one of my best courses, and I'm going to give you all of the ads already done for you. Okay, you're going to get 17 different sizes of ads. So no matter what size you need, all you do is grab it, plug it in, put in your affiliate link, and you're going to start making money immediately. You do not need to worry about coming up with the ads yourself. It's done for you in every single possible size. And these ads are specifically designed to convert really, really well with the type of traffic that Steve is going to tell you about. Okay, I can't tell you the specifics about it because that would give it away, but it is unusual. And the ads that you're going to be getting are specifically designed that they are going to work super fast with this kind of traffic. They are really, really going to convert very, very well with this traffic. Okay, now let me show you the members area real quick so you can take a look at it and see for yourself what it's all about. Okay, he's going to tell you what the secret source is right over here. Obviously, I can't tell you what it is. What I can tell you is there's about 10 different ad networks that he's using. The first are the ones that I'm currently testing out myself. Just started testing them out. They're really, really cool. Okay, and he's also going to tell you how to pick the right types of offers that are going to convert really well for you. Again, I've already done that for you because I've already put together my and a set of ads that are going to convert really well with this traffic, and you're going to get them ready to roll. All you got to do is pop them in and start using them immediately, and you're going to get guaranteed approval for one of my products, even if you're brand new. All you have to do when you apply is mention that you have purchased Untapped traffic, and this is your bonus for purchasing Untapped traffic. You're going to be able to get in automatically to this in order to be able to get in and start promoting immediately using the ads that I'm going to hand to you. Okay, that's part of the bonus that you're going to be getting from me. Right. So basically, he's going to show you everything you need to know, exactly how to make these things. Oh, I forgot one more thing I'm going to tell you. Since if you want to do something other than what I'm going to tell you to promote, if you want to make your own ads, I'm also going to show you how to do that completely, totally for free. Okay, completely free ads. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. You don't spend any money to make that. And like I said, you can spend $5, and basically your very first sale, you're already going to make 100% profit on that, because if you sell my course, which is $20, and you get 50% commissions, you're already going to get your $5 back. Plus, you're going to double your money with your very first sale that you're going to be putting into this. And this traffic actually works really well. So let's see if I can formally give it to my head product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, this is awesome. I never ever would have thought of this traffic source. This is totally mind-blowing. I really mind blown by this idea. And hats off, seriously, hats off to Steve. The guy behind me, he would be tipping his hat as well if he wasn't a painting. This is really an awesome idea. I think you're going to love this idea, and it's going to make you a lot of money. I am so excited about this. I haven't been this excited about a traffic source in a very long time, but this is really cool. Grab this, you're going to love it.